Hello friends, welcome to the Creative Geeks channel. Today we are going to look at the best Arduino type on market. There is a number of Arduino boards on market, from Arduino Pro Mini, Arduino Nano, Arduino Uno, and lastly the Arduino Mega. But the Arduino Mega is later divided into two types, and this basically depends on the size of the board. You have the Arduino Mega Pro Mini and the Arduino Mega board. It is designed by a company called Smart Projects that is found in Italy. The Arduino Mega was designed in such a way that it has quite a big memory of up to 256 KB of space, and this can help it to compute more arithmetic programs and also increase its storage capacity, therefore increasing its computation power. The Arduino Mega is used in complex projects because it also has adaptations of more I/O pins, commonly known as input-output pins. It has 54 input-output pins, and this can help in making of complex hardwares, and this helps it to accommodate more data from sensors and control at the same time. Of the 54 pins, it has 16 analog and also has 38 which are digital, of which 15 of them can be pulse modulated. It is designed with a crystal oscillator on board, and this helps in timing pulses. So whenever there is a very complex project to take on, I recommend Arduino Mega because of its memory size and input-output pins. In terms of software development, we use the Arduino IDE to design software and then upload it into the Arduino board. You can get the software from the Arduino site as in the video description. Thank you very much. If you find this video helpful, please consider liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more educational content. Goodbye.